Days go by and I look like more and more like a bimbo. Hello everyone and welcome back on this channel. So today's video will be like the second part of the video I did the other day, and this one will be like how I use watercolors to paint a little sketch card. And for the occasion, because we are painting a pinup, I dress myself like a mix between Daryl Hannah in Splash, you know, the movie with Tom Hanks, and I don't know, like one of the Hugh Hefner girlfriend in that TV show, The Girls Next Door. The more older I get, the more like bimboish I become. I don't know what's going on. I kind of like it. I think all began when I bought that juicy hoodie. Ah, it's my juicy. La 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 la. I am so happy. And I cannot embrace the blonde in me. I don't know. It's like a mix between Pamela Henderson and I don't know, Paris Hilton. Anyway, so this video is about how I use watercolors to paint my cards, stuff like that. So we will be watching this, you know. So in another video I did like how to pose and how to ink. Now it's how I use watercolors to do that. So is this Red Sonia? And so we will do that today. What I do at the beginning is just take this light brown colors with a little bit of red, or if you have some pinkish tone you can use that, and some white. I mix them and I try to do like the lightest depending of the skin tone of the character you are painting. Red Sonia is Caucasian, so she will be like kind of white, but as she is, I think about that, as she is a lot on the sun and in a tiny bathing suit to fight, she will be a lot outside, so she will be a little tan. I use like the lightest shade I have, and I will put everywhere on the body, and then gradually I will put darker and darker skin tones everywhere I think it will improve the colors of the body, where there are like something going over a piece of skin, you know. As I like to do my makeup, I always try to think about that when I paint a girl. So I will always put some rosy reddish cheeks. I will put some light rosy lips and some brownish tones above the eyes to give some life on the face. I always do that, and I think it's a good way to give more life to your character. And I always put some like colors on the white on the eyes, to give like more, as I was saying, more life to the eyes. And because it's not always all white, there are like some rosy stuffs going on on the eye. For the sky, what I do is I always put the lightest shade at the beginning and then put some stains of darker. For example, the sky, I will do like lightest shade of blue, then a darker shade of blue, and I will just mix. When you want to do like shiny gray armor, just take, what I do is I take some black that I will put a lot of water in the black to make it lighter, and sometimes I will put some blue in it, and I won't put the colors everywhere. I will just let some white in it, like that you have some shine, like a shiny armor. So I will do that for all the shiny stuff and the sword too. And for the blood stains, just like let your pencil, let it run on your paper, you know. It doesn't have to be perfect. The more it, I don't know, drool, more it's like going everywhere, the better it is, I think, because it's blood. So yeah, you can put some brown stain here and there because she was in a battle, so she's kind of dirty. So here, the result. So you see how the shades are coming here, 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 stuff like that. So I don't know if you can really see, because as usual, I record everything on my phone. Maybe someday I will have the money to buy a real camera, who knows. But here is the result. So I don't know if I do like a third part using pencils, no color pencils, because usually I will do like that with watercolors, and then I will add some colors with colored pencils. So let me know if you want like a third video about it. Like, because I kind of like how the card turned out with only watercolors, but we can always put more stuff on it. So let me know in the comments what you want to see. Are we in for a third part? Yeah, I don't know. So I hope you like this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to this wonderful channel, to put a thumbs up, and to follow me on the different platforms, in Instagram at elphilip2art, or even in TikTok. But I don't really do TikToks. I mean, I don't get, I'm way too old for that. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't. The only thing I want to watch on TikToks are cute videos about cats and dogs. So I'm kind of tired of the teenagers like doing dances. So I don't know. Anyway, have a nice day. Bye.